Welcome to Vuforia Spatial Toolbox EV3 Advanced. Today we have the Advanced mode, which has all of the nodes from both the beginner and intermediate mode. So today we're just going to show an example of what these could be used for. If you want more explanations, go check out the previous two videos. So first, to switch into Advanced mode, we're going to have to start up the Spatial Toolbox. So go into the Vuforia Spatial Edge server and execute the command node server. Again, you might see a couple of errors that pop up. These are from the spiked prime, so they have nothing to do with the EV3. So we're ready to head over to localhost 8080. Once we're in localhost 8080, we can go into the Manage Hardware Interfaces tab. Make sure that your EV3 is turned on if it's not already. Then we're going to go to the settings, and we can change this EV3 complexity to Advanced mode. Then make sure you hit save. To execute this change, we're going to want to restart the server and connect our EV3. You can reference our beginner video for making those connections. So here I have my EV3 and my image target. If we go into the programming tab, you can see that we have a lot of nodes. We added the LED left, LED right, and speaker node to all of the intermediate nodes. Let's go ahead and utilize some of these. First, we're going to drag in a switch. So this is going to connect to our stop motors so that while we're programming stuff with our motors, we don't have our EV3 start running away. And then next we're going to go into the pocket and drag in a slider. So this is going to connect to a bunch of different nodes. Our motor nodes can actually take values between 0 and 1, and they will scale them up by 100 to send to the EV3. So let's first connect our slider up to the two LEDs so that the lights will change as we change the speed of our motor, and we'll connect it to motor A. Next, we're going to drag in a logic node. If you haven't seen our video on this, you should go check it out. We're going to open up this logic node, and from the pocket, we're going to grab the invert tool. So this is going to allow us to multiply any number by -1. So let's connect it to the blue input and the blue output. And then if we go back into our programming tab, we'll connect the slider up to the blue input, and then from the logic node, the blue output is going to go to the motor D. So this will run motor D in the reverse direction of motor A. So if we go ahead and unfreeze the screen, you can see that as I move the slider, it starts changing the LED colors. And then if we turn stop motors off, we can move the slider and the EV3 will start moving in a circle. And then we can turn the slider to a higher number and the EV3 will start spinning at a faster rate. And if we want it to stop spinning, we can just turn stop motors on and the EV3 will stop. This is just one example of what you can do in Advanced mode, but you can go check out our other videos on tools we've made and utilize some of those to make more complex programs.